want to add an online booking system to your Salon WordPress website? In this video, I will show you how to create a fully functional online appointment system for your customers using the free Radius WordPress plugin. You will learn how to set up the plugin, add service, add staff members, and display the service list as well as booking form on your website page. I will also show you how customers can book appointments easily and check their booking status from their user dashboard. What you need to do is very simple. Just follow the steps one by one. For example, provide your desired service, then select staff, choose date and time, check the availability of time slots, enter customer details, review your payment summary, and complete your payment by choosing your preferred method. In this process, a customer can booking their appointment. After the customer completes all this, go to the My Bookings. From the admin dashboard, you'll be able to see those submitted booking forms of the customers. So, if you want to make your salon website more professional and convenient for your customers, let's get started. In the very first step, we need to install Radius Booking WordPress plugin. So for this, firstly go to the plugins to add a new plugin. In the search key box, type Radius Booking powered by Radius theme, a modern booking and appointment schedule plugin for WordPress. So click on Install now. While completing installing, click on Activate, and here it is, AI-powered appointment and service booking. Click on Settings. You'll get this type of appearance with 6 setup steps. First, business info. Provide your desired salon name, phone number, and business address. Here you can add a logo or image for your salon. For the currency and pricing, you can configure how prices appear to your customers. So select your required currency and a symbol position. Next, schedule. You can set your required business hours so that your staff members can override these with custom schedules. While done, let's go to the next step, appointments. Here you can configure your appointment date, time, and customize the appointment behavior. For example, time and date format, time slot interval, and default booking status. You can choose either auto-confirm bookings or require manual approval. Next, create staff, where you can add yourself as a staff to receive appointment bookings. Booking system is done, but after it, a few steps are recommended, like create service, add staffs, and embed booking form. Now we will add service details. Go to the dashboard from Radius Booking, navigate to Business Setup. Firstly, we will add category, so click on it. Now provide your required name for adding your preferred category. For example, barber, service. Now click on add service at the top. Quickly you'll get this type of default form where you can easily add your service details as basic information. You can set your service name and each category as basic information. For staff assignment, you can make yourself or others as available employee. For the service image, choose a related one. Choose an image that clearly reflects your service so customers can easily understand what type of service you offer. After that, write a description about your service. Now click on Next and get the pricing section for the duration and price settings. You can set the buffer time as before and after, which means time needed before the appointment starts and after it ends. Next comes the advanced option as settings like general setting, payment method, where you can enable or disable some payment accepted options. Then integration for connecting with external services like Google Calendar, Google Meet, Zoom, etc. And this is how you can complete to create your service. You can create more service by following this entire procedure. Now we will add staff and assign service. For this, go to the staff dashboard, then navigate to all staff. You can empower your team with dedicated access. So provide name, email address, phone number. For the service image, choose a related one. After that, write a description about your service. Then assign your required service and its category for the next step. If you want to show your service on the site, you can make and customize these as optional service settings. Next is schedule, then time of management. Last is special to configure custom schedule if you use the pro version. This is how you can create more if you want. Now in this step, we will see how to display service. For this, go to the page to add a new page. Provide the title like our service. Then from here, click on service list first. If you want, you can also add subheadings. And from this list, you can choose your preferred service. Then reset your spacer like height. Then save it. Let's visit the page to see. Here it is, where you can choose your preferred service from the list view. Now let's try testing a booking service. For this, provide your desired service and the staff, date and time, availability of time slots, customer details, check your payment summary, and complete your payment by choosing your preferred method. Now let's back to the dashboard. Go to the radius booking, navigate to the appointment and all appointment, where you can see the recent added customers' details about their booking service. Click on the details button and from here you can view all the information about the booking appointment, like who is the service provider, service, notes, customers information, payment details, etc. Now go to the payment to make the order status completed or confirmed for the service. Let's click on it. You can once again check the customer's information, service information, transaction timeline, then click on the mark as paid if all is okay, and instantly your payment will be confirmed. If you check the order invoice, it will be displayed here then. See, here it is. Back to the dashboard if you want to see the appointment statistic and the total revenue. Now go to the page, all page, and from here click on view to see your added booking form. Now we will see how you can add a booking form linked to the menu. For that, first copy the link of your created website. Then click at the top to edit this site and get this type of appearance. Now from here, click on this to paste the copied link. Then save it. Let's view the site. Now if you click here, it will automatically bring the booking form because we have already added the link to reach directly. Provide your service, choose your required staff from whom you want, select a date and time, check availability of time slots, enter customer details, review your payment summary, and complete your payment by choosing your preferred method. The sidebar illustration shows the summary of your booking service. Go to My Booking. Like before, it will display the user dashboard. Then go to My Bookings to see all your appointments. Let's view one booking's information. Here you can see the payment method, status, and more. Now back to the admin dashboard. Here are all the appointments that we have added. If you go to the customers, you can see their information further. Then payments, where you will be able to see all the payment status of the customers. Let's visit one. Here you can see the information about the service as well as the customers along with the transaction timeline. Let's go back and check the payment invoice. This represents the final document of the booking service. If you go back to the dashboard, you can see the total appointments along with the active customers, staff, revenue, and more. This is how you can add online booking. Thank you for watching.